Proper alignment and arrangement of solar mounting structures are one of the key factors for efficient solar power generation, and yet they do not get the same attention as the modules or inverters. This has led to the use of substandard mounting structures that cannot withstand harsh environmental conditions, leading to reduced efficiency and increased costs. With a global cumulative installed capacity of 10 gigawatts and an annual production capacity of 1 gigawatt, 𝐊𝐿𝐴 Solar is one of the well-known brands in the solar mounting systems market. Our GM-06 galvanized steel solar mounting system is a reliable, high-quality product made of anodized aluminium and galvanized steel that provides greater mechanical strength and improved resistance to corrosion, allowing their usage in extreme environments with wind speeds of up to 216 kilometers per hour and snow loads of up to 2.5 meters height. The pre-assembled system design at our factory reduces the work at the project site, facilitating easy and quick installation as well as minimising the installation time and costs. It is designed for installation on open fields that can be attached to the ground surface by using ground screws or concrete foundations. Framed modules can be conveniently mounted in portrait orientation with tilt angle of up to 60 degrees using our product. It comes with a 12-year product warranty and is designed strictly in full compliance with various international industry standards, including the Japanese JIS 8955, German DIN 1055 and Australian AS/NZS 1170. Our product has been used in various high-capacity solar projects in more than 100 countries around the world, including the 16 megawatt PV plant in Japan and 4.1 megawatt plant in Mexico. 𝐊𝐿𝐴 Solar is a professional high-tech enterprise that has over 10 years of experience in the manufacturing of mounting systems and components for roofing, ground and carport applications. We continue to innovate so that our products can be adapted to the needs of different customers.